Check the biometric data on screen 3.
Looks good, vitals are strong, clear for processing.
We have a classification error on platform 4.
Override engaged. Rerouting to section B.
Check the alignment on trough 16.
Looks good from here. Calibration is steady.
Lane 3 hydraulic pressure check complete.
Copy that. Initiating spray cycle on lane 2.
Density levels are optimal.
Confirmed. Moving to the next batch.
Scan complete. Defect density is below the threshold. Excellent. Proceed with the batch.
Ensure the grain matching for the tote bags is perfect.
Already checked, Supervisor. The neural network handled it automatically.
The logistics grid operates with pinpoint accuracy, processing thousands of luxury items every hour.
Manifest confirmed for container 4B. Ready for loading.
Over.
Notice the hand stitching here. It's a signature detail. It's exquisite. The texture is simply stunning.
Route optimization complete for the Europe-Asia corridor.
Noted. Rerouting the Brazilian shipment through the new Panama hub.
Confirmed. All deliveries on schedule.
The craftsmanship on these new horn accessories really highlights the legacy of the brand.
Absolutely, the detail is exquisite, especially the gold accents.
I absolutely love the texture of this leather. It's exquisite. The clasp is beautiful too. We made the right choice coming here.
The vision of total luxury domination is now complete. The empire is fully realized.